Hello, welcome all. Today is a different session. It's not about any teaching or any particular topic related to intensive care, but we are very happy to shoot this. ESB ICM has now completed 3 years of its journey, and in 3 years, it has helped many students through its YouTube channel, through its forums. It's been listed among the top 45 medical channels to be viewed. It stands ranked at 30. So we have upgraded the whole websites based on the feedbacks we received on our channel and forums. So myself, Dr. Ankur Gupta, and he is Dr. Benjamin. So we are glad to share that we have come up with certain new features on ESB ICM website. So when you go to the ESB ICM website right now, you will find a new look of the website. In that, we have added one very important feature is online classes calendar. As you know that we were conducting weekly classes once a week or twice a week for our students, for our team which is working with us. But now we have taken this to next level, and anywhere any student in the world can join these classes. So we'll be posting the academic calendar schedule online, classes schedule on the calendar, and they will be posted on the website. So you can plan which topic you want to listen, which topic you want to join, and accordingly you can plan your schedule. Not only this, if somehow someone misses that class, so he can go back, scroll the calendar, and go to the particular topic session and see the YouTube link of this that calendar, that topic. Secondly, we have upgraded our YouTube channel also. So now the videos will come more frequently. Earlier they were coming around one video per 7 to 10 days, but now it will become more frequent. And we'll be trying to post short videos also, so that in your busy schedule you can take time and listen them very quickly. Plus, now we are coming up with a very interesting section which is we have named it, it's the idea of Dr. Benjamin. It's a bedside visual knowledge bank. Now in that what we'll do is we all are working in different ICUs, and we see daily new cases, new ABGs, new X-rays, new clinical signs. Now we are working in our ICUs, but everybody don't get exposure to different signs. Suppose we have a case, we have particular sign, we have different X-rays. We saw that somewhere in the remote country or a different country have particular sign and different X-rays. They found very interesting, and they have seen that. So now what happens in this visual bank? We'll upload all these material, whether it's their X-rays, ABG, clinical signs, or clinical data. We'll upload them so that you can go to the section and you can choose which you want to see, and you can browse and practice. You can browse the ABGs, you can browse the X-ray, CTs, you can browse the clinical signs, and importantly, our forums have also been upgraded. Now the response has become faster, the registration has been made simpler. So if you have any doubt regarding any online class, if you have doubt regarding any YouTube channel content, if you have doubt regarding any visual bank database, you want to discuss that particular thing, you can discuss all these on our forums. The registration as usual is free. Team and their members will try to respond. And one more thing, if you have any doubt which is not related to all these our channel content, lectures, or knowledge bank, if you have any doubt regarding to intensive care and emergency, you can post there directly. We have different categories in which you can post there. Plus, we have come up with a new blog on our website. Earlier it was not there. Earlier we were posting only classes and forums, but now this blog has come up. The purpose of this blog is, there are many times in our busy schedule there is a topic, there is a content, there is a tip which we want to give to you, but due to time constraint we are not able to shoot that. So what we do is that we'll do make an article and post that on the blog, so that you can review and read it in your comfortable time. Plus, also on huge demand, we have added a submit a video request form separately. Earlier, people were posting requests for different videos in our YouTube channel comment section, and many times their requests get missed. So now what we have done is, there is a separate video submission request form in which you can post your request, and they will come directly to our team, and which will be monitored so that any pending request will be completed as soon as possible. Along with that, one important section also we have added, it's called download section, like how to choose antibiotics in ICU, how to take rounds in the ICU. Their templates are available, but they were available only on the forums previously. So some people were coming to the forums only for downloading the stuff. They were not taking part in discussion. So for them to make life easy, we have made a separate download section. So we have made it simpler. You just go there, you accept the disclaimer, and just download. You can download anything which is available there. Now, last but not the least, very important feature we have added is newsletter. So what this newsletter will do, every week on Saturday, this newsletter will shoot to all the subscribers. You need to subscribe via email on the website. The subscription link is at the bottom of the website. So every Saturday it will shoot what has all happened in last 7 days on the website, what we have posted, so that you don't miss anything. Plus, every month it will shoot a newsletter in which will we give you certain updates, clinical data, anything which needs to be required to be known by anyone working in the ICU and emergency area. So I hope that this effort of ours will help many students, many doctors, many nursing staff who are working in the emergencies and ICUs, and most importantly, we will be also able to upgrade ourselves to teach you all. Not only there are many more features on the website, but these were the key features. I hope this will help you a lot in the coming days. But do subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure you register on the forums. The membership is lifetime free, and whenever you want, you can subscribe to newsletter also on the website. This we have made sure that this website runs smoothly on your mobile phones also. So if you have any technical issues related to website, not the clinical you can post only on the forums. But if you are facing any technical issues, like if you are facing certain problems in registration or browsing or anything, there is a help desk also available 24/7. This help desk is dedicated to students. And again, reminding you all, everything on esbicm.com is completely free of charge. We don't charge from doctors and nurses or anyone working in the ICU and emergency. Its sole purpose is to get the people engaged in bedside intensive care learning process and to improve the skills of everyone who is there. Ultimately, it will reflect in the patient outcome. Thank you. See you next time with another video.